IGTV, then follow me on YouTube at Siddhika. And if you're following me on YouTube, do follow my Instagram handle at Siddhika. Anyway, let's continue to the main meat of the video. So, so I need to stop saying apparently, that's there. I decided to clean all of my drawers in my room. So all of the drawers that you see in my room, I have cleaned all of them, I have wiped them down, I have reorganized and reshuffled them. So something happened one fine morning when I did not sleep for the whole night, and I was like, what can I do today? So I just had this crazy urge, and I was like, you know what? I am going to reorganize my room. And I switched out so this main dresser where I'm actually standing right now, and you can see this backdrop. I shifted the main dresser, I added my side table over here, and then I moved my other. I just did a lot of moving around, okay? I'll have to show you my room for that, and I don't think so I'm emotionally equipped for a room tour because frankly, you see my drawers, that's it, my room tour is done. But I felt that just by, rearranging my space was not enough. See, I can move. Before that, I could not move around in my room. Like, there was not enough space for me to move, and I was like, you know what? I'm an animated person. I need space. I need to move. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna rearrange the room, bite a bullet. And I was like, you know what? Sid, you cannot do this without a plan. Your girl needs a plan. So what I did was, in a very professional manner, I took a piece of paper and I wrote down my whole plan. First I broke it down into, so this is like my vanity. So this part over here, I was like, you know what, in my first two drawers I've got my nail polish and my travel mini shitty things, and then I've got all of my extra makeup which I rarely use. It's just for filming, right? When I have a full beat on my face and if I have to go out for a party, I use it. Then I have my side table. So I have my main side table, my other side table. I listed out each drawer, what I remember or what I use that drawer for. And then I was like, you know what, if I'm reorganizing it, I need to have a mental plan. So then I decided, because I never used my jewelry, and that was because it was in the side table on the other side of the bed and I would get ready over here. So I was like, you know what, if I want to use my jewelry and wear it, which I'm still not, but at least it's getting better, I try to clip something back, I'm doing something different, okay? I wasted my money, I need to use it. So I was like, okay, I reorganized according to me that, okay, in my vanity I need my jewelry and I need to keep the same drawer for my extra makeup, and then on my main side drawer what I need, and on my other extra side drawer what I need. So I first made a plan. I'm going to show you a time lapse of how I organize everything because it's very, very satisfying to watch. Okay, I hope that made you feel a little inspired. I did not show myself cleaning the last drawer out because I was really bored and it was like a lot of shit, like not stuff, just random shit that you want to hold on to that you never use but you're still keeping it, ki kabhi na kabhi to kaam aa jayega types. So that was that last drawer, and I was like, you know what, I'm not interested in it at all, at fucking all. So I was like, you know what, just let it be. And yeah, if you're interested in vanity tour, let me know. So I'll show you every single thing of mine and how much it costs and a breakdown of everything if you're interested in that. And if you're interested in me explaining every drawer as well, let me know. I don't know why would anyone be interested, but yeah, I can show you. And now I can officially throw this because I did the clean out like a week ago, but I still kept this paper so I could make this video so I could show it to you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please जाने से पहले घंटी हो जाए, and I shall see you guys later. Subscribe, follow, like, share, please, that really helps, huh? And yeah, that's about it. I don't think so have anything else funny to say. So boom, bye. To have an adventure. Touch my neck and I'm back. I think about